today in the lesson number 1 we will discuss the topic area of a pathway. Now what do you mean by pathway? These pathway are the some in gardens or parks, some of the spaces left around all around in the form of a path or in between as cross paths. Okay, you might have visited some of the gardens. So these are the pathways which are being constructed around the park or in between, which passes through the park, and these are meant for roaming around the park or for jogging purposes. Okay, so now we will discuss, and we have to take out the area of these pathways only. So we will discuss some of the examples. Now example number 1, a rectangular park is 45-meter long and 30-meter wide. A path 2.5-meter wide is laid across the park breadthwise. Find the area of the pathway. Okay, so remember students that you will not be given these sort of diagrams. You have to make it on your own or in your mind only. Okay, we will simply give you these sums and then you have to solve it by your own. Okay, now see, here it is written, a path 2.5-meter wide is laid across the park breadthwise. So you have to imagine in your mind that what you mean by breadthwise. See, this is length. The side which is longer is known as length, and side which is shorter, usually it is known as breadth. So okay, so here it is written breadthwise. So here breadthwise means along the breadth. Okay, so it is vertical. If it were written lengthwise, then it would have been horizontal or around this, like it is given this way. Okay, now simply you have to find out the length of the pathway. It is 30 as it is running parallel to the park. So its length is 30, breadth is 2.5. okay, as it is given in the sum. A path 2.5 meter wide, so breadth is given, length is given, area as you know is length into breadth, and so the answer will come out. Okay, now we will do example number 3. Example number 2 is near about same like what it is given here, but in this you have to also find out the cost of constructing the pathway at the rate of 105 per square meter. So whatever will be the answer coming out, like for example here it is written area of the remaining plot. So in this you have to take out the area of this pathway and you have to subtract it from the whole park or whole plot of land. So it will give us the area for the unshaded portion, or SRCD plus ABQP. Okay, what it was written, find the area of the pathway and the area of the remaining plot. Okay, so area of the pathway will be 7 into 60 as it was along lengthwise. See, here it is written lengthwise, so it was 7 into 60. 7 is the breadth and 60 is the length. So 7 into 60 will be the area of this pathway, and when you will subtract it from 50 into 60, when you will subtract it from 50 into 60, then this orange or the yellowish portion will come out. So the area of the remaining plot will be coming out. Okay, now what it is further asked, also find the cost of constructing the pathway at the rate of 105 per square meter. So see what it is written here. If we have to find the cost of constructing the pathway, we will simply multiply the pathway 420, area of the pathway 420, we will simply multiply the pathway with the rate of that pathway. Okay, what was the rate of the pathway? Cost of constructing the pathway at the rate of 105 per square meter. So we will multiply this 105 with the pathway area to find out the whole amount. Is it clear? We will simply multiply the pathway area and the amount, which will give us the cost of constructing the pathway. Okay.